Hey baby, what are you doing down there? Ha? Uy, bago na yung polo, yellow na ha. Color coding tayo baby Zaymel, come here. What are you making, kalikot? Oh, give me your hand. Marunong na to mag-give ng toy pero pag tinago ko, yun, he will cry na. Pero marunong na siya mag-share. Ano? Zaymel, come. What's this? May sipon. Hello. Lahat ng toys man dito na inside the house Hello. Say hi, Tito. Hi, Tito. Come up, come up. Hi, Tito. Hi, Daddy. Tagalog, kuya. 20 minutes pa before he comes home. What are you picking up there? What's that? Bagay sa'yo polo ni kuya Uh-oh, the water tank is already full. Goodbye.